Okay, so last time that we spoke about Cosmos was November 14th, and my forecast has been confirmed. Okay, so we were here about, and my forecast was that we were going to seek this quick moving average, and then we were going to break away from $6. And this actually happened, so we did seek this quick moving average on the daily chart, and then we did break out of $6 here. We went above up to 690, 689 around. So it really did happen. Okay, so whoever took the trade here, and this is not financial advice, this is just the way that I see the markets in terms of probabilities. Okay, so whoever took the trade here had this rise up, and now we're having some price realization back to this 200-day moving average. So what can happen now? I believe that with Bitcoin, and I had also a video about Bitcoin saying that it should continue to be strong. We were, I think when I made the video, it was about 89 or 90, I think it was 88 or 89, something like this. And now we're at 94, almost 95,000. Okay, so that has also been confirmed. And with Bitcoin as is, I believe that, and also with this chart the way it is, I think that we're probably gonna have some buy pressure around this area. So I think there's a risk that we don't even break down from the 200-day moving average, but if we do, yeah, we're probably gonna have pressure to go up higher. Okay, now let's see if we can see anything else on the 3-day chart. Yeah, on the 3-day chart, well, it's not so common for the price to break away from the 60-day moving average all at once. So many times when we have something like this happen, it does come back down before it goes up. Okay, but we are in a very specific time of the market where Bitcoin is in the record highs. Okay, so it's a very specific time. This is not like a up and down market. It's a very up market. So there is a chance that normally I would say that in a chart like this that we could probably go back down before going up. But I think this is a probability, of course, but we have a big wind pushing the market up, and there's also a possibility that this time things are going to be different in a chart like this, and that we won't have enough sell pressure for price realization here, or not this much price realization, in that there's a chance that we continue to go higher, to seek higher. Okay, so let's watch out for that. It's a very interesting market. It's a very different market. It's not the usual market. And also, if we look on the historic, this also supports this idea, because, okay, let's look at this. Let's discuss this, okay. Basically, we had the breakdown of the support level on this area, which I have already spoken about in the last video, okay? So this also is fuel for the market not to behave in like the usual way here, okay? Because this has forced a lot of sell, and some of this selling was orphaned. I like to say that it was orphaned, where you think that something's gonna break, but it doesn't. It comes back to life. And sometimes when it comes back to life like this, especially with BTC at all-time highs, it can mean that we have a lot of buyers jump back in to the ship. Okay, so looking at this chart, we already had many attempts to break out of this 200-day moving average. So I don't doubt that we can have like a dramatic rise across the 200-day moving average in the 3-day chart at some point. Okay, so today, in terms of probability, this is not a financial recommendation, but in terms of probability, I'm more bullish on Cosmos. I think that I wouldn't be surprised if we have like a big green up at some point in the near future. All right, but I can be wrong, and we can go back down and seek lower prices. But at the moment, today, and today is the 21st, it's just turned from the 20th to the 21st of November. What I see here is a market that really wants to push Cosmos up. All right, so that's it. See you on the next one.